The time has come. I've got my vest. Let's pop this bad boy open and see. Show the world what you've got. Ah, so here's the wrapping. One side. Here's the other side. Whatever sealed. As he breaks open the seal. 007. Alright, now let's pop open this vest. Oh. Alright, so let's see. Details. Check out the back. It's kind of a sheer fabric with the backing of the sexy professor. Here's some interesting details. Buttons behind the collar. And details for your phone. Yeah, so how does it look on me? How do I look in it? I love it. Thank you, Scott. This is definitely one of the best things I got from you.